Hey there, today I'm showing you how to play YouTube videos in the background on your iPhone. This is perfect for listening to music or podcasts while using other apps. Let's jump right in. Step 1. Open Safari on your iPhone. Don't use the YouTube app. Step 2. Go to youtube.com and sign into your account if necessary. Step 3. Search for the video you want to play in the background. Step 4. Once the video is playing, tap the icon in the bottom left of your Safari address bar. Step 5. Select Request Desktop Website from the 3 dots. Step 6. Now play your video again. Once it starts playing, lock your iPhone or swipe up to go to your home screen. Step 7. The video will stop, but you can restart it by swiping down to access your control center and pressing play on the media controls. And that's it. Your YouTube video will now continue playing in the background while you use other apps or even when your screen is locked. This method works without requiring YouTube Premium. If you found this helpful, hit the like button and subscribe for more iPhone tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.